Okay, this is the last video you see on the floor. I will build up the train on a table which is now downstairs, but it hasn't really finished yet. So there's running a BR86, a Taurus and a RE44 from Switzerland now. Here it goes. Okay, now I stand up and I'll show you where it will be. It will begin there and will go to this box. You see, it is even enough place to build it up there on a table, but without a shadow. Yes, so it is. See you when I build it up next week. Bye, and greetings from Germany.